Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding detachment. Let's begin by applying the law of detachment. Today, I will allow myself and those around me the freedom to be as they are. I will factor in uncertainty as an essential ingredient of my experience. Through the wisdom of uncertainty, I will find my security, and I will not rigidly impose my idea of how things should be. Detachment does not mean non involvement. You can be deeply involved, but not entangled, as the root of suffering is attachment to outcome. To the extent we lean on anything outside ourselves for support, we are going to be insecure. The more we can master self control and the art of detached involvement, the less power people and things will have over us. When you get your own universe, you can arrange it however you like. But in the meantime, learn to live and let live. Enjoy the day.